So you want to take a law class. For many of you, this will be your first exposure to a law class. Some of you are here studying public policy, or science, or engineering, or education, and some may have an interest in law school. Whatever the reason, we have to learn about the law using a unique approach. Most law schools use the case law approach, where students read legal decisions to understand the law. In executive seminars on legal topics, participants will read statutory texts. And in some law schools, students learn through practice. We're going to combine all three in this course. But before we dive into our first module, you should be aware of some foundational legal concepts. The first concept you need to understand is that all laws must have some originating authority in the U.S. Constitution. In Article 1, Section 8, the Constitution grants Congress the power to make all laws. Now, Congress can delegate this authority to administrative agencies, and this issue will come up in our first module. The concept is the role of the courts. Courts only get involved if there's a case or controversy. There are three judicial levels. The first is the Federal District Court, which deals with issues of fact and law. If appealed, the Federal Circuit Court of Appeals will review if the law was correctly applied. Finally, the Supreme Court gets about 7,000 requests per year, but only hears about 70 cases per term. The third concept is the judicial remedies available to the courts. One remedy is the issuance of fines. Another is incarceration. Courts can also stop an action through an injunction. Finally, courts can send the case back down to the lowest level to decide facts. The study of law can get really complicated. I've designed this course so it's easier to understand for non-law students. Just try your best to apply your common sense when we review and interpret legal principles and cases. Thanks.